Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to record and add voiceover in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add and record a voiceover in Capcut is a simple process. All I have to do is open the Capcut app. Now, if you want to start from scratch, just click the create a project here. But if you have already an existing project, just click on it to begin editing. Now, first off, just import the videos that you wanted to be part of your cohesive production here in Capcut. All right. And then you see, you will notice that on the top of the timeline, there's like a microphone setting which says voiceover. All you have to do is click this speaker icon and a drop down menu will appear and it will say select record. Now the input device right here can be selected to different options from crisp microphone. You want to make sure that you're using is going to be for recording. All right. Right now, I'm going to be using this, the HyperX Duocast. You can also increase the volume if you wanted. Plus, if you want to incorporate an echo reduction, which is if you turn on to avoid echo from the speaker. Mute project if you want. Sounds all in clips will be turned off after mute project turned on. They also have called the enhancer for the voice, but it automatically removes echoes, popping sounds, mouth clicks, and other noises. But the thing is, it requires a pro subscription. If you don't want that, just click this and click the start recording. All right, and you can add anything here. And it will allow access to a microphone imprompted by Capcut. And just speak clearly right here. Capcut will start recording your voiceover and you'll see the audio waveform appear on the timeline as you speak, right? Once you are happy with it, just click the stop button and your recording will be available here, right? We're gonna zoom on the timeline, so this is gonna be your voiceover. You can rename the voiceover or you can simply delete it if you wanted. You also have the option to remove filler words, but that requires pro subscription. All right. Now, once you're happy, just click the export button here on the top right corner to save it to different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.